Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. So when you open your Canva on Google Chrome, as you can see on your screen, and try to create a design, so click that create a design button and try to click this YouTube thumbnail. One of the feature in this Canva is to remove background in the image. So for example, in this image, you can actually resize this one first. So if you're done resizing this image right here, so all you need to do is just click that image and you will find edit photo button right there at the top beside that search box. Then right here, just click this one and you will find the tools, which is the video remover or background remover. But you must remember that you can only use this when you are on a Canva Pro. So you just click this one and it will automatically remove the background. But if you find your image got some image left on the background, so all you need to do is just erase all that. So just click this right here and you will find the tools, erase and restore, and you can resize the brush. So for example, you want to erase, you can use that brush to erase all the background. And also you can use that restore to restore that image in background. So that's how you basically remove background in this Canva. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.